Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. From our smartphones to self-driving cars, AI is everywhere. This transformative technology is also reshaping the nature of work. It is automating tasks, creating new jobs, and changing how we interact with technology in the workplace. The integration of AI into our daily lives and work is undeniable. We are witnessing the dawn of a new era, powered by intelligent machines that can learn, adapt, and assist us in unprecedented ways. This technological revolution presents both opportunities and challenges as we navigate the evolving landscape of AI in the workplace. Understanding its impact is crucial for individuals, businesses, and society as a whole. One of the most significant impacts of AI on work is automation. AI-powered machines and software can now perform tasks that were once done by humans, such as data entry, customer service, and even complex analysis. While automation may lead to job displacement in certain sectors, it also creates opportunities for new jobs to emerge. AI development, implementation, and maintenance require a skilled workforce, leading to the rise of new professions. Moreover, automation can free up human workers from repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on more creative, strategic, and interpersonal aspects of their work. This shift can lead to increased productivity, job satisfaction, and overall economic growth. The key lies in adapting to these changes by embracing lifelong learning, acquiring new skills, and being prepared for the jobs of the future. The impact of AI is being felt across various industries, transforming the way businesses operate and deliver value. Let's explore some notable examples. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing healthcare with faster and more accurate diagnoses, personalized treatments, and drug discovery. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images, identify patterns, and assist doctors in making better decisions. In finance, AI is being used for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and customer service. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data to identify anomalies, predict market trends, and provide personalized financial advice. Manufacturing industries are leveraging AI for process optimization, predictive maintenance, and quality control. AI-powered robots and systems can work alongside human operators to improve efficiency, reduce errors, and enhance overall productivity. These examples highlight how AI is not just automating tasks, but also augmenting human capabilities, leading to advancements that benefit society as a whole. The rise of AI is creating a demand for new skills and professions. Some of the emerging job roles include AI engineer, professionals who design, develop, and implement AI algorithms and systems. Data scientist, experts who extract insights and knowledge from data using statistical modeling and machine learning techniques. AI trainer, individuals who train AI models using large data sets, ensuring accuracy and performance. AI ethicist, professionals who address ethical considerations and potential biases in AI systems. To thrive in this AI-driven job market, individuals need to develop essential skills such as technical skills, programming languages like Python, machine learning algorithms, data analysis tools, and cloud computing platforms, critical thinking and problem solving, analyzing complex problems, identifying patterns, and developing creative solutions using AI. Communication and collaboration, effectively communicating technical concepts to both technical and non-technical audiences. Adaptability and continuous learning, embracing a mindset of lifelong learning to stay ahead of the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Section 5. The future of work, upskilling and reskilling for success. As AI continues to reshape the job market, individuals need to embrace upskilling and reskilling to remain competitive. Upskilling involves acquiring new skills within one's current field, while reskilling refers to learning entirely new skills for a different career path. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses all have a role to play in providing access to affordable and relevant training programs. Online learning platforms, boot camps, and industry certifications are valuable resources for individuals seeking to enhance their skills. By investing in human capital development, we can ensure that the workforce is equipped with the necessary skills to thrive in the age of AI. Section 6, AI and humans, a collaborative partnership, not a replacement. It's important to remember that AI is not intended to replace humans, but to augment our abilities. AI excels at tasks that require data processing, pattern recognition, and speed, while humans possess creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and complex problem-solving skills. The true potential of AI lies in collaboration with humans. By working together, we can achieve outcomes that are greater than the sum of our parts. AI can handle repetitive and data-intensive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on higher-level thinking, strategic decision-making, and tasks that require emotional intelligence. This collaborative approach fosters innovation, improves efficiency, and leads to better outcomes in various fields. Section 7. Navigating ethical considerations in the age of AI. As AI becomes more pervasive, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations surrounding its development and deployment. One key concern is bias. AI systems are trained on data, and if that data reflects existing societal biases, the AI system may perpetuate or even amplify those biases. Another ethical challenge is job displacement. While AI creates new job opportunities, it also automates existing ones. It's essential to manage this transition fairly and provide support for displaced workers through retraining and reskilling programs. Transparency and accountability are also crucial. AI systems should be designed and implemented in a transparent manner, and mechanisms for accountability should be in place to address unintended consequences or misuse. By proactively addressing these ethical considerations, we can ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly, benefiting society as a whole. Section 8. Embracing the transformative power of AI for a better future. AI has the potential to revolutionize our world, solving complex problems, improving efficiency, and enhancing our quality of life. From healthcare to education, transportation to sustainability, AI can be a powerful tool for positive change. By embracing the transformative power of AI, we can create a future where humans and machines work together to address global challenges, drive innovation, and build a more equitable and prosperous society for all. It's our responsibility to harness this technology ethically and responsibly, ensuring that its benefits are shared widely and its potential risks are mitigated effectively. Section 9. Conclusion. Preparing for a future shaped by AI. The future of work is being reshaped by AI, bringing both opportunities and challenges. Automation, new job creation, and the need for upskilling and reskilling are key trends shaping the evolving work landscape. By embracing lifelong learning, fostering collaboration between humans and AI, and addressing ethical considerations, we can navigate this transformative era successfully. AI is not a threat to human jobs, but a tool to enhance our capabilities. By working together, we can leverage the power of AI to create a future where technology empowers us to reach new heights of innovation, productivity, and well-being.